Greetings from International Management Institute, New Delhi. At the outset, I would like to congratulate you on taking this momentous decision to pursue a doctoral degree. This decision requires a lot of courage, conviction, and self-belief. Why should you select International Management Institute, New Delhi as the chosen platform where you achieve this mission? Well, the answer is very simple. As simple as A, B, and C. A. At IMI New Delhi, you have the autonomy and freedom to explore what intrigues you, and what you create, develop, and ultimately table as new knowledge is one where you are completely confident and full of conviction because you had created it. It was a decision totally yours, supported and enabled by the research environment at IMI New Delhi. B. It is about being trained by the best brains in the country. At IMI New Delhi, we offer you the perfect blend of seasoned and young research-driven faculty to complete the loop. You ideate and thresh out and sharpen your ideas amongst a community of like-minded scholars who are on their own unique journeys of pursuing their doctoral paths. And lastly, while the perspectives and foundation of the frameworks may be yours, but they need to be sharpened and embedded in rock-solid theoretical and methodological foundation. And that's what we train you in, so that your knowledge is unshakable as you stand out in your careers, whether they be in academics, research, or in the corporate world. So come, join us at IMI New Delhi to pursue a doctoral degree